Here is the key to making more money online. Now you can make more money even with no previous online experience. You can build a full-time income working as little as 30 minutes a day. Even if you have tried to make money online in the past, but not had the success you were hoping for, stick with me. This might be just right for you too. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. And it's a cold, blustery day here in the Northeast. I've been making money online full-time for over 23 years now. What I want to share with you is based on that experience. So the key to making more money online is to put the time in building the right business opportunity by following the right system. And that system must include marketing, training, support, and mentoring. If any one of these components is lacking, your chances of success will go down dramatically. I found something that incorporates all of these keys to success. I build it myself. It has been my #1 recommended income stream for over 4 years now. And it's not just about making more money, but creating time freedom too. This business only takes minutes a day once you get things set up. Building this business is how I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while most people are stuck at a job. It's an affiliate marketing opportunity that's really different. We market 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. We get paid an industry-leading 80% commissions on each of them. That means that you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. Plus, on 3 of the products, you also earn long-term recurring or passive income too. Imagine still getting paid months from now for the sales that you make today. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. This business comes with your own high-converting marketing system to automate your business and leverage your time. You'll have landing or lead capture pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails ready to copy and send out. You will not have to create anything. All of the techie stuff is already done for you. Your marketing system will be just like the one I use, but yours will be personalized to brand and promote you. All you do is send traffic to your website using one of the free marketing strategies we teach and let the system take it from there. You will receive the best training in the making money online industry. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos that you can access 24/7. Following our unique Quick Start training, you can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. We hold live, interactive conference calls on Zoom, held 6 days a week, and these calls are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. We have our own social media app where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. In addition to the support and mentoring provided by the company, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Making money online has never been easier. So to learn more and to start making more money online today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.